Today, I am going to describe my WebQuest. Here is my WebQuest title, Exploring Shakespeare, a deep dive into Romeo and Juliet. The target audience are university level students in English language and literature. The aim of this WebQuest is to enhance students' critical listening, reading comprehension, and to some extent, their writing skills. In addition, it aims to develop soft skills such as presentation, collaboration, and creativity. The WebQuest is divided into 5 components: introduction, task, process, evaluation, and conclusion. Introduction. In this section, I briefly introduced Romeo and Juliet. The purpose of this part is to activate students' prior knowledge and prepare them for learning activities ahead. The next part is task overview. This part outlines the tasks that students are expected to complete. Primarily, they will read 2 versions of this text and watch 2 videos. This material serves as the foundation for deeper analysis and discussion. The next component is process. I have designed 9 steps process to help students explore Romeo and Juliet in depth. First step is visual engagement. Students will visit 2 websites to view images that are directly related to the play. This activity is designed to activate prior knowledge and mental preparation of students for this topic. Next step is contextual understanding. Students will watch a short video providing the historical and cultural background of this text. The third one is a video viewing. Students will watch a full video performance of Romeo and Juliet with complete focus and attention. The fourth step is reading activity. Students will be divided into groups of 4 or 5 members. Each group will be assigned different scenes from the both original and the old version text. Step 5 is comprehension check. Students will be answered question via Google form based on their assigned scenes. Here, step 7 is role assignment. Within their group, students will be choose roles such as a researcher, presenter, and writer. The next step is group presentation. Based on their understanding, each group will prepare and deliver a presentation. Step 9, the last step is for listening skill assessment. Student will answer questions that test their critical listening skills. The next component is evaluation. Here is the table of a rubrics. I have created a rubrics to assess students' performance. Since this is a language and literature class, the rubrics emphasize not only listening and reading skills, but also creativity, collaboration, and presentation abilities. This is the last component of this WebQuest. This section provides a brief summary of this entire WebQuest. It recaps what students have learned after completing all activities and assessments. Thank you for your kind attention and for listening to my presentation patiently.